beads here, and we're going to try to make another stretch bracelet. I'm using a double strand of stretch cord, and I have a beading, it's not really a needle, but it's just like a little piece of wire that helps to get the beads thread on there. Whoop. If it doesn't push them all over the table. It's better to use a double strand for these stretchy bracelets. They're less apt to break. And I do have some glue this time, so I will glue the knot when I get there. As soon as I find the hole in this bead. Well, I know there is one. Oh, boy, the marbleized pattern in that one made it very difficult to see the hole. You really, it's much easier, it's not mandatory, but much easier when you're trying to do two strands to use something like this little thread gadget. And I've got a stopper on the other end of it, so the beads won't fall off the other end. And this should be about 7 inches long. That's what I'm aiming for. Okay. Let's see what we have accomplished. you go. Now hopefully not to lose it. Now I'm going to do a couple of surgeon knots. That's one, whoops. Get a hold of it. It's one under and two under. And then pull. One under. Two under. Now I have some glue. Okay, trim that down a little bit. Very nice. Isn't that pretty? That'll go with a lot of different things. I'm going to see if I can find a couple of beads that might look similar and see if I can make some earrings that will go with this. I want that knot to go in that bead. There it goes. Okay, let me see if I can find any earring beads. Back in a second. Okay, here's number 2. I had to go get another eye pin. Whoa, runaway bead. Blue. Crystal. Okay. And my ear wire. Guess I don't have it open far enough. Oh, sorry, I'm off camera. I had to get over by my face so I could see what I was doing. I don't like these little balls on here. They get in the way. Ta-da! Ta-da! So there you go. Bracelet, earrings. That's it for today. I'm going to see you again on Sunday for a cook with me. And we're going to try something that I've never done. It's a TikTok sensation, and we're going to give it a try. So stop in Sunday, see what it is. Until then, have a great afternoon or evening or whatever time of day it is for you. And everybody play nice now. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Love ya. Bye-bye.